Look, if you're juggling counter space like most of us and eyeing Ninja air fryers, the Double Stack and Dual Zone are both heavy hitters for cooking two things at once without babysitting. The real question boils down to whether you want vertical smarts or side-by-side simplicity. I've dug into these enough to know one's a space wizard, the other's a workhorse for everyday chaos. Here's the breakdown, straight up. Design and dimensions. Picture your kitchen counter. The Ninja Double Stack flips the script with baskets stacked one on top of the other, like a high-rise for fries and chicken. It clocks in around 15 inches high, 19 wide, and 11 deep for the 10-quart XL version, which means it hugs the back wall and leaves room for your coffee maker. That's half the width of most dual fryers, perfect if you're in a Dhaka apartment or any tight spot. The Dual Zone? It's the classic side-by-side setup, about 12 inches high, 15 wide, and 10 deep for the 7.6-liter model. Wider footprint, sure, but those drawers slide out flat, no reaching into a tower. Bottom line, Double Stack wins if square footage is your enemy. Dual Zone feels more intuitive for quick grabs. Let me explain why that matters later. Capacity and fit. Capacity isn't just numbers, it's what fits when dinner's for four. Double Stack gives you 10 quarts total, split across 2 levels with meal racks that let you cook 4 different foods at once. Think 2 chickens, fries below, veggies above. You could cram in 10 pounds of wings without blinking. I've seen it handle family meals vertically, no overflow. Dual Zone 7.6 liters, roughly 8 quarts, splits into 2 3.8-liter baskets, good for a 3.5-pound chicken per side or batches of nuggets and tots. It's solid for portions, but you won't layer as much. Here's what matters. If you're prepping for a crowd in limited space, Double Stack packs more punch per inch. Dual Zone shines for balanced loads, like protein on one side, sides on the other, without juggling racks. Cooking functions. Both nail the basics: air fry, roast, bake, reheat, dehydrate, but Double Stack pushes further. The air fryer model has 6 modes, plus air broil for that steakhouse sear. The oven version, up to 12, tossing in toast, pizza, even bagels. Temps hit 400 degrees Favres, crisping with way less oil. Dual Zone sticks to 6 core functions, with Max Crisp blasting super hot air for frozen straight to crisp results. No broil or toast here though. Performance-wise, both even out heat well, but Double Stack's vertical fans can sometimes lag on the top rack for super evenness. Dual Zone's dual heaters sync better for flat foods like burgers. Let me be clear, pick Double Stack for versatility if you bake or broil often. Dual Zone if air frying's 90% of your game. Key features, comparison. Sync and match are table stakes on both. Finish 2 cooks at the same time or mirror settings across zones. Double Stack adds smart finish to juggle different foods intelligently, plus those racks for multi-level magic. It's 1690 watts, lighter at 23 pounds, easy to slide around. Dual Zone pumps 2400 watts for faster ramp-up, weighs about 18 pounds, and has crisper drawers for greasy stuff. Cleaning? Both have dishwasher-safe baskets, but Double Stack's vertical design traps less mess if you're sloppy. Dual Zone's drawers wipe quicker. Controls are touchscreens on both, intuitive after one use. Here's the kicker. Double Stack feels premium with its slim profile, but Dual Zone's raw power edges it for speed demons. Performance notes. Real talk on how they cook. Double Stack churns out crispy wings and juicy roasts, but tests show slight unevenness top to bottom. Nothing a shake won't fix. It saves 40% counter space, cooks 75% less fat than deep frying, and holds heat like a champ for reheats. Dual Zone browns more uniformly across batches, especially fries or nuggets. That extra wattage blasts through frozen foods in minutes. Battery life? Nah. But power draw matters if your outlets are finicky. In head-to-heads, Double Stack flexes for compact multitasking. Dual Zone for no-fuss family runs. Both cut oil big time, taste damn close to fried. If you're vaping carts in Dubai heat or slinging e-com orders in Dhaka humidity, these hold up without steaming your kitchen. Price and value. Street price hovers around $200 to $250 for double stack XL, $152 for dual zone, depending on sales. Ninja's warranty is a year both ways, solid for daily grind. Value skews double stack. If space is gold, you're buying future-proof real estate. Dual zone's cheaper entry, punches above for pure frying. Long term, both last years with care. I've seen dual zones in agencies humming daily. Bottom line, spend more for the stack if counters cramp you, save for dual if basics rule. There you have it, two beasts, different beasts. Double stack redefines small space cooking without skimping. Dual zone's the reliable duo for most kitchens. Your call depends on layout and habits. What's your setup like? Why double stack edges it? The stack's racks let you cook 4 foods at once, syncing times like a pro, and it adds broil or bake modes the dual skips. Dual zone's faster on basics with more watts, but for versatility and space, stack dominates. When dual zone takes it, grab dual if you prioritize slide-out drawers for heavy use or already have width to spare. It's cheaper and crisps evenly. Your Shark Ninja background probably has you nodding. Stack's the smart play for multitasking pros.